ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today I have one from our man Handyish Randyish. He sent me a comment asking about shop light versus mini light and which one's better, which one do I recommend? Is a mini light really worth getting, or is it better to get a big shop light? Well, and we'll see exactly how much time it takes to get the big light out of the vehicle, set up at your workstation, ready to go, and then break it back down and put it back into the vehicle. And this light here is a D&E light. Got it from Francisco Cornales with Dent Warehouse Tools. He's a mobile. You can find him on Facebook. He sells all these lights, and any light you want, any tool you want. He's a great guy. So, I mean, you know, carrying a big light, it's great because you get to see a lot more damage, especially if you're going to be doing hell. Having a big light is a huge bonus. It's very efficient. If you're going to be doing a hell car, get you a big light. Promise you, you're going to be so much happier doing hell damage with big light. I would recommend at least 2 lights. For my personal preferences, I have 4, and I usually use 2 of them at the bare minimum. I never go less than 2, and because I like to stack lights. So that's just me. But as you can see, this is taking quite a long time to set up. Actually, not really that bad. What kind of lights do you guys using? I like using the Robo light. I like using the D&E light. The A1 LED light is really a great price for what it is. Install time 1 minute 31 seconds, 0.24 milliseconds, whatever that is. So that's the time frame it took me to install the light and put it back in the location of the repair. Now, the actual breakdown time and installing it or putting it back into the vehicle, and let's see what that breakdown is. I use the Stucky mini lights. A lot of people like the Eliminate light. It's a great light as well. It's mobile. You can use any battery you want on that, which makes it great. But I like the fade in the fog, the detail that you can see with the Stucky light compared to the Eliminate light. That's the big difference in those two, in my opinion. That's why I use the Stucky light, because you can really see deep, really deep dents much easier, in my opinion. That's just me. Putting it back in the vehicle, 50 seconds, 0.50, whatever that is. So now we're going to do the mini light. How long does it take it to get out of the vehicle, on the work, and ready to go? Let's see. Oh, there it is. Boom. That's a Stucky mini light. Suction cups to the car. Install time 21 seconds. Super quick, super easy. And taking it off the vehicle. If you're mobile, mini lights are the way to go. They're so fast, so efficient. If you're at a shop, get you a big light. You will not be mad. Putting it back in the vehicle, 15 seconds. Guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let me know. Have a great day. As always.